Turns out that 250k cannot build you a website in 2023. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeoluwa, and on this channel I teach the skills that you need to succeed in the digital economy. So today guys, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide to building your personal website. The personal website is beneficial for so many reasons: for your personal branding, to sell your products and services, to build an online presence, to host your SEO keywords. There's so many things you can do with a personal website. So let's get into this video. So before you even start building your website, I would recommend that you have like a Google Doc where you write down key things that you want to feature on a website. So it could be have like a file where you have all your images, your product images, or just images that portrays the things that you do. You can also have a part of a Word document where you write down like your personal profiles, you write down a bit about the services that you render. So that would give you like a very good head start to building a website and make it so much easier for you. Go to Google and type getresponse.com. Getresponse.com. Once you get on the site, you will sign up for free. You put in all your information, and then you go to a part that says building my audience or sending emails. What do you want to use? So you go to the part on the landing page that says tools, create a site and promote your business online. So you come to the button that says create a website, ready-made templates. They also have you also have the access to use an AI-powered build, a ready-made template. Will pop out saying there are different types of web templates that you can use, and there are different types of websites. So we're going to choose the one that says business for this. Once you choose business, the next step, you would come to a place where you see so many templates. Like if you scroll down, you would see so many templates that you can pick from. Like there's just a whole lot of templates here. And so you can pick a style that you like. I found a template I like, and I'm going to be going with it. It has a blue and yellow scheme that I really like. So once you are on this, once you've picked your template, is going to pop up page, the top bars and the bars at the right hand side all the way down as well. Those are the important buttons that you need to note when you are building it. So for the first section of the top bar, it says social media, and here we can see that it talks about the platforms, the icons. This is where you can pick social media icons, and you can add more platforms or more icon settings. Here you can shuffle and go to change any icons that you like. You can also do vertical or horizontal. You can change the alignment of the icons. You can also change color. So I'm going to close that and also go to the layout. I will look at if I would like it horizontal. I like it. I like the font. I like the font size. I like the color. I like the alignment. And so I'm happy with how it looks. So the next section would then be where you have the logo, and I would like to replace this logo. So I would go on replace, and there's a part that says add files. So if you have your logo already created, or if you just have something that you've created maybe on Canva or on a design computer, and then I've done that, and then I'll just use the files I've added already. So it looks very small. Try to adjust it. So just adjust it to your, you can also go back to edit and resize it to your specification. So you can go down and look for a size that suits you. There's a 16 by 19. This is really big, but I will just try to resize it. Save it. So it's coming up really big, so I just keep working on that and resizing and resizing it. I would resize. I have done all that I want to do on the upper part of this side. So the next part will be going to the right hand side, where you also have 3 buttons. And the first button says manage pages. Now this is where you can manage the different pages that will be on your. So the first part will be the home page. I click on that button, and so presently we are on the home, the blue water image that you see. I'm going to be going for a video, so I'm going to add a video. So your video cannot be too large, so you would have to reduce the size of your video to about 20 MB. Loaded, guys. Video is looking. Next step will be to editing the text. So you come to the text button. Once you press on it, the text, the part where you can edit it will pop up. So I like the text font of this text, so I'll change it to a Montserrat, which is the font I intend to use for this website throughout. So I'll just change it to Montserrat. Write down free tutorial video. And I'm going to highlight this as well and change it to the information that I would like to put up there. And so you have it. We've changed that, and you can also come and edit it to the line height. You can edit the alignment. You can also edit the color that you want. So up next would be to changing the call to action on a document, which I would write out. Watch now. So the next thing will be the URL that you want. So this button should take people somewhere, right? So I'm going to be putting my YouTube URL. So once people press this watch now button, it will take them to my URL,
yeah,
which would be my for this part of the session of the home page. So remember, we are still on the home page. I think I like the way it looks, so we're going to move on to the next part about design and change all of the information that would affect the entire. I'm going to change everything to Montserrat, really. Montserrat again. Montserrat. And I can also change it. I like the way everything looks. I like the style. I like the color. I like the color palette. I like the size. So I'll just leave it. I like how everything looks, so I'll just leave it like that. Then I would save. So another thing for you to also put in mind is the save button, the first button on the right side of the page. And I will go, we're still on the home button, so yes, so good. I would come then to begin to edit the second session, which is where I want to introduce or replace or add files that I would like to use. And once the image is up, I would now go to the text, and I want to change the text to a service. So branding management services. Use the font size, it's quite large. And I also go back again to take some of the information that I've written out already, copy it and just paste it there. I reduce that, go back to the call to change the call to action when people go to the learn more button, it takes them to my email address. Save again. So I'm done with this session. I look at it, I like the way it looks, then I'm gonna go to the next session. Now this is the session where I want to list off seriously whatever image you want to put in there. You can also go back again to take in the text from your documents. You put that in, you edit the words, make sure it's aligned properly, and there you go. So go on to the next one. You replace as well, go add your files, and you keep the process till you've added enough. And so you can also adjust the image, adjust the image if it goes out of alignment, you can adjust. And so you just keep highlighting it, you go on, get more text to add to it. I like the way everything looks. Then I go back and save, and we move on to the next session, which is, I really think I have anything that I want to add here, so you can delete, and I think I like that. So I go to the next part of the session, which is the last session, and I just want to write a little bit of information and have like a call to action. So learn more. Just had, so the same way I want the call to action, I want the call to action to lead to my email. So I just change it to my email. I'm done with this session, save again, and that's it. So you can look at it. I think we like the way it looks. Everything is looking okay. So here we go. We're going to move to the last part, which is the footer, the last part of this home session, where we still have a replicated home session. So yeah, I would like to change the social media icons, and I will just go and add more icons. So Instagram, I don't want Twitter, just delete Twitter. So I'll add more, I'll add LinkedIn, and I will add YouTube. And so just go and get the links to all of the icons from my Word document. YouTube as well. It's all set up here already, and so we have done with the home part of the page. Now we're going to the about us part of the page. Now you click on the about us and it takes us to a different page. Here you can also make some edits and changes. Same process, we're going to begin to replace the images. I already have my image uploaded, so I just replace the image also. Then I will highlight on the text, that's the heading, and I would like to reduce the size of this text. I'll first change the color. I'll first change the color to a darker color because it's against the white background. Then I will reduce the font size. And also for these as well, I will highlight this as well, change the color. There you have it. I can also adjust the image, the background. Then I'll begin to fill in my information. Start with my name, Ifeoluwa. And you can write whatever you want up there, but I will write my name. And then go to my document and go get the information that I had written down. I will highlight this part. Highlight it and paste. So the next part will be the call to action, which I don't really think I need it up here. So I'm just going to do a little bit of adjustments to the text, so everything is aligned to the left alignment. So I have that done already, and I think I like the way that looks, that session. So I go to the next session, and I don't think I need it, so I just go to delete the button. So moving on, I would then go to the part where it says add your title. So I feel like this part is where you can add testimonials. So for now, I will not be editing this part. I'll just leave it and come back to add testimonials later. You have it. You can make whatever adjustment, but I think it's all good. I'll come back to add my testimonials and then move on to the next session of this website. So guys, there you have it. You can now build your personal website yourself. Like, you can now be fly. I have a website. So if there's any part of this process that you do not understand, please write it in the comment section below. If you've used GetResponse before and you would like to also share your ideas, please put it in the comment section below. If you would like me to help you or guide you on a process that I have missed, you can send me a direct message and I will be happy to reach out to you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.